Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Snapchat widescreen on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down, we will click here on apps, then we come to apps window here, we will just wait till this is window show for us. We will go down here to looking for Snapchat app here and this is window, we will just go down to found Snapchat app here and we will click here on Snapchat. Then we come to next window here, like you say, we will click here on full stop, then we will click here on OK, and we will click here on storage. Then we come to storage window, you will just click here on clear cache and you will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.